Hi, this is an Eat It Drink It how-to video all about the Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro cleaning machine. We're going to talk you through all of the maintenance steps that you need to know how to do to keep your machine working correctly. Hi, this video is to talk about how to maintain your dry basket in your Gausium Phantas and Phantas Pro model. I've obviously already got the dry basket out of the machine, and you'll notice that the dry basket is a grey colour and has the yellow symbol on the front of a waste paper basket. Remove the lid and that will expose the bag inside the machine. To replace the bag, simply pull up on the yellow tab. This initially just closes the entrance hole to the bag to stop you from getting debris all over yourself or all over the floor when you're replacing the bag. Pull that towards you again and the bag will come out. What you need to do is just ensure that the basket itself is nice and clean. Any debris that has made it through the bag or into this basket poses a risk to the secondary filter and of course the vacuum on the machine itself. So just make sure there's no debris left inside that basket before you put the new bag in. To put the new bag in, you'll notice that the bag has a door mechanism on the front. What you'll want to do is make sure that this is in the upright position before inserting it back in. It slots into the guides at the front of the basket, and once you feel that click down, you need to ensure that this lid is pushed down to open access to the bag. There's a magnet installed on here that tells the machine that you've done that procedure. So if you don't push that down, the machine will tell you that there's a problem with the bag, and very often it's because the access hasn't been open to the bag itself. Once you've done that, you need to put the lid on top of the machine. The lid is magnetic and it will only go on one way. So if I try and put it on the wrong way, you'll see I won't have any success there. It needs to be on the right way. And once you've done that, you're ready to put this back into the machine.